Hola y bienvenidos. Hi and welcome. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Betina, your friendly Latin Spanish tutor at Latin American Spanish Now. I was born in Argentina and now I live in coastal Canada, and I'm here to help other beginners just like you learn practical everyday Spanish that's spoken all across Latin America, from Mexico to Argentina and everywhere in between. On this channel, you'll find some easy-to-follow beginner lessons, some everyday conversations and short dialogues, and clear pronunciation tips, and also some fun cultural insights too. Everything is designed especially so you can feel comfortable and confident using Spanish in real life. Whether you are starting completely from scratch, you're traveling soon, you're reconnecting with your roots, or you just simply love the Spanish language, you are in the right place. So you don't have to be perfect to start, you just need to start. Don't forget to get my free 5-day Latin American Spanish Kickstarter, where you'll get some bite-sized lessons and vocabulary and tips, audio and video files that you can use to practice your Spanish pronunciation, and also everything would be in a downloadable PDF document. Just visit www.latinamericanspanishnow.com and also hit that subscribe button so you never miss a lesson. And I'll see you in the comments. Come say hello, leave me an hola, and let's learn together, have fun, and grow your Spanish. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon.